Be ready. Start. The revision petition first came up before hearing before R.N. Agarwal J., who felt that the case involved an important question of law which was not free from difficulty. He therefore referred it to a larger bench, although he did not formulate any specific question. The matter then came up for consideration before a division bench consisting of Jagjit Singh and R.N. Agarwal J.J. The division bench gathered from the referring order that the matter requiring consideration is whether the second paragraph of Section 73 of the Indian Evidence Act empowers a court to direct an accused to write in words or figures by way of specimen writings for enabling the prosecution to send the specimen writing to a handwriting expert for purposes of comparison with the writing of a disputed document alleged to be in the handwriting of that accused person. After referring to certain decisions, Jagjit Singh J., who delivered the judgment of the bench, answered the question posed thus. There is no ambiguity or confusion in the phraseology used in the second paragraph of the section. Therefore, the only purpose for which a court may direct any person present in the court, including an accused person, to write words or figures is to enable the court to compare the words and figures so written with any words or figures alleged to have been written by such person. Where the purpose of directing a person present in court to write any words or figures is not to enable the court to compare the words or figures with any words or figures alleged to have been written by such person, but is to enable any of the parties to have the words or figures so written compared from a handwriting expert of that party. The second paragraph of Section 73 would have no application. In the result, the High Court held that the order of the learned Additional Chief Judicial Magistrate dated May 20, 1972, insofar as it related to disposal of the application filed on December 11, 1978, was not legal and was beyond the scope of Section 73 of the Evidence Act. To that extent, the said order and the order of the Additional Session Judge dated December 7, 1972, by which the revision was dismissed, are set aside, and the revision filed by Pali Ram is accepted. Hence, this appeal by the state (Delhi administration) over.